The first thing you want to do is place the sticky pad onto your windscreen and slide the dashcam in place. Get hold of your hardware kit and plug the USB Type-C into the dashcam. At this point, it is advised to wear gloves to protect the vehicle's interior. Now tuck the power cable across the headlining going towards your A-pillar. Tuck the power cable into the A-pillar, avoiding going across any airbags. You now want to attach the ground to a suitable ground in the vehicle. It is time to wire the hardware kit to the fuse box. Using a multimeter, locate the fuse that only powers up when the vehicle ignition is switched on. Remove the fuse and insert it into the provided fuse adapter and plug into the original slot. Now locate a fuse that is permanently live and repeat the same process. Once you have completed that, replace any trim you may have removed. Get hold of the long extension cable and plug it into the plug coming off the hardware kit. Run it down the A-pillar and across the bottom of the vehicle, tucking it away behind any trim. Fold down the rear seat if it makes it easier, as you now have to run the cable back up to the headlining. You need to run the cable to the boot, so tuck away any cable you can see. Pull the cable at the hole where the harness goes through the boot lid and pull it through the rubber tubing. Now pull the cable towards the middle of the rear window. Get your rear camera and stick it to the middle of the rear window and plug the lead into the camera. You can now put back any trim and turn the vehicle's ignition on to make sure the dashcam powers up.